Python Flask Bootstrap. In this video, we download a free Bootstrap admin template and apply the Bootstrap template to Flask app. We search a free Bootstrap admin template and choose this SB admin. We can download this template by clicking this button. mkdir OSS. OSS means open source software. See URL, download URL, sb admin.zip. It has been downloaded. Unzip OSS sbadmin.zip. It has been extracted. Move sbadmin to OSS. ls-l. We copy index.html of sbadmin to index.html of manager. Copy. Overwrite. Yes. We copy CSS, JS, and assets directories to the static directory of a manager. Copy -r CSS JS assets. We open index.html of a manager. vi we change the path to CSS files. URL for static file name we change the path to JS files. URL for static file name. URL for static file name. We change the path to assets files. URL for static file name. URL for static file name. We open a browser and access the home page of manager. The Bootstrap UI has been successfully applied. In summary, a free Bootstrap admin UI was downloaded, and the Bootstrap UI successfully applied to Python Flask. Thank you for watching this video.